Hello, my name is Elliot Mike. Welcome back to the building site. Today we're going to build this poster of the Sonic movie. Here we're going to just make Robotnik today and a ring. So firstly, we left half of it alive so it won't take so long. So firstly, we need this brown piece and put it under here like this. Now we need this black piece here. Put it right here where this is, like this. And now we need to get this white piece here, this other white piece, and this piece here. And now we need this, and now we need this long piece and this brick piece here and this piece like this. Here we go. Here's the ring, and I made this Mario. I'm using it as Robotnik because it has a mustache and almost the same colors. And I'm going to put it in the middle of here, so it could be like him in the ring here. Yeah. So now I'm going to make the poster, and so now these can be like his little spaceships flying here, everywhere, maybe like this. There we go, like this. Okay, now I'm gonna make the poster. So firstly, we need this Sonic here, and we're going, and I made this thing earlier. I didn't make the spaceships earlier. So firstly, we need the Sonic I made a few minutes ago. What did I say? Okay, check out my other video if you haven't seen it, and of how to building the Sonic. And now we're going to get this. Now we're going to put his arms back like he's running, and now we need to put this backward, this foot backward, and this leg frontward, this leg leaving down. And now we need this 1x2 piece with one thingy on it, whatever it's called. Put this on here. Now we need this brick piece hole and a neck bracket to put it over it. This will be over here. And now we need to put his foot onto the neck bracket like this. Now here we go. It's kind of like the poster. Yeah, it looks kind of like the poster. Here we go. So, bye. I might have a video to make a tail soon. So I might make that soon. Bye.